Hello everyone, this is Lamsi of Market Challengers Frontal Attack on a Market Leader. My name is Dave Magpantay. We'll explore how McDonald's as a global brand employed a strategic frontal attack to challenge Jollibee, a market leader in the Philippines, particularly in the breakfast segment. We'll discuss the application of this strategy in the local breakfast competition among fast food restaurants. Then we'll dive into the specifics of the Market Challengers strategy, focusing on the frontal attack approach. To set the context, Jollibee is the most preferred quick-service restaurant in the Philippines, consistently topping consumer surveys. McDo, while globally dominant, had to adapt and localize its strategy to compete effectively in this market. One of McDo's strategy is to win the mornings through a frontal attack. In a frontal attack, challenger matches the market leader in product, advertising, and distribution. The principle of force suggests that the side with the greater resources will win. McDo adapted this strategy to fit the local market. A frontal attack in marketing is a strategy where the market challenger directly confronts the market leader. The goal is to compete head-on by offering similar or superior value to the customers. McDo introduced localized breakfast options that resonated with Filipino customers. This include items similar to Jollibee's offerings, such as Longganisa Silog and Fried Chicken Silog, ensuring they could attract the same customer base. Another critical move was aligning their breakfast service hours with Jollibee's. McDo ensured they were available early in the morning, starting breakfast service at around 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. McDonald's also focused on ensuring wide distribution and accessibility by making sure that they offer their breakfast meals on all of their branches. They made it convenient for customers to choose McDonald's for their morning meals. McDonald's frontal attack strategy involved three main components: offering similar localized products, matching service hours, and ensuring wide distribution. This approach allowed them to effectively compete with Jollibee and increase their market share, at least in the breakfast segment. McDonald's strategic localization and direct competition with Jollibee through a frontal attack has demonstrated the importance of understanding local market dynamics. Their efforts provided valuable insights into market challenger strategies. Again, my name is Dave Magpantay. Thank you for listening.